Do you know what a lot of parents are worried about when they
Reading.
see you playing all this? Reading. They think...
Because you like this kind of stuff makes your brain go away. Like,
I mean, even from a jaded gamer's point of view, somebody who's seen thousands of games, they've done things that I've sat up and said, wow, this is pretty neat stuff.
Stossel, I hate to ask, but you've got to help me get my kid a copy of Super Mario Brothers 2. Like, you've got company.
Those underlings managed it on their own. Though the goddess of darkness was defeated long ago, she's back now.
What the heck?
This guy's really a human?
Absolutely.
Something's not right here.
Meddling in the affairs of another world is never a good idea.
Which really isn't easy in this case. They often have some unexpected techniques, too.
I guess I should be thankful. Somebody's gonna pay for all this.
What kind of attitude is that to have? I can take anything but indifference.
Hold together! You worry about your own hide.
Humans get frustrated, even destructive, when we gods don't provide for their welfare. I'm the one who should be working overtime. I do my best.
You focus on what you do best, whatever that is.
That's right! The first one who captures the sneaky pest can name his own reward!
Despite the underworld invasion, the people haven't lost hope. The people need your help. Are you excited?
Very much looking forward to your arrival. But you'll need more than bluster to defeat me.
Your commitment to the training necessary to fulfill your goal is really quite admirable. There's always the chance that the next moment will change everything.